to Money Talk with Alex. Today I'll be showing you how to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account. Please, if you find value in this video, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. First and foremost, all you need to do is to come to this place, this three dots here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, come to settings. Setting. Okay. Come to this account. Click on account. Okay. See. Connected. Facebook. This. So just click on this place, and if you connect your Facebook page, that is how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. Thank you very much. If you find value in my video, please turn on the notification bell